Good afternoon, dear subscribers and equally dear guests. Hot milk with honey. What kind of remedy is this? And is it even a remedy? Why is milk with honey good for you? Well, first of all, it provides pain relief. Milk has a mild analgesic effect, soothes the mucous membrane of the throat, and reduces irritation. Next is the anti-inflammatory action of honey. Honey is rich in antioxidants and has an anti-inflammatory effect, helping to reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. Antibacterial properties. The natural antibacterial components in honey help fight infections that cause coughing. Hydration. Warm milk helps moisturize the throat's mucous membrane, preventing dryness and making it easier to clear mucus. So how do you prepare this drink properly? To get the best results, it's recommended to follow these guidelines. Here they are. Use fresh, whole milk at room temperature. Add 1 tablespoon of natural liquid honey per glass of milk. Heat the mixture over low heat until it's warm. But don't bring it to a boil. You can add a pinch of baking soda or a small piece of butter for an extra soothing effect. Despite its benefits, the milk and honey mixture does have some limitations, unfortunately. Contraindications include an allergy to dairy products or honey.
Diabetes.
Honey contains a very high amount of sugar.
Age.
Under 2 years old, children face a high risk of allergies and botulism from raw honey. So, hot milk with honey is a safe and natural remedy for relieving a cough, especially when combined with other treatment methods. However, it's best to consult a doctor before using it, especially if you have any chronic conditions or allergies. Stay with us, subscribe to our channel. We look forward to seeing you and are always happy to have you.